Hi guys, so I'm back with another video, and as you can see, my hair is in need of something. It needs moisture. My hair gets really dry. I like to towel dry it and separate it into two sections. I'm so excited to try the Butter Creme Intensive Moisture Sealant. This is a leave-in conditioner, and it's therapy for chronically dry, damaged hair or over-processed like mine, from coloring or heat, even from braiding. So after I've sectioned my hair into two sections, I like to kind of rake my hair with my fingers and make sure I get every strand so that there is no dry spots. Curly heads, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to now pair it with the Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly. Why does Aunt Jackie's stuff smell so good? I want to eat it. Okay, so I rake it throughout my hair, and as you can see, I'm sectioning my hair off into 4 pieces. I don't really tie my hair away. I kind of just do it and let it fall where it needs to. And then I shake my hair so that it can activate the curl. Because when you rake it, it just kind of like falls dead. So when you shake your hair, it'll activate your curl again. It's something I learned. I wasn't doing this, so my hair was always just like this flat curl. You know how much is best for your hair. You know if it's gonna weigh it down or not, but this stuff is like super light. So I do this to every single section, and I make sure that every piece is saturated. And I don't like a part in the middle when I have my curls. I like it parted on the side, so I throw all my hair to the side and shake it. And today I'm going to let my hair air dry. Voila, the final result, and I'm very happy with it. As you can see, my hair is actually defined. It's not all the way dry, but look how beautiful it looks. It came out so pretty. I'm in love with this product, and I hope you will be too. I have put everything in the caption so you guys can try it yourselves. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.